Wait, is this working? You trying to make money, right? Without spending a lot of money, right? Wait, is this on? Wait, oh, y'all see me. Oh, shit. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I'm sorry. I just trying to make sure that you guys can see me, I can see you, and you understood me, and I can understand you. And what I see by you clicking this video is you want to know how you can make money without really spending a lot of money, and you want to know some ideas I have. So I have a few, right? I have a few, and I've talked about these ideas, but I'm gonna go a little bit in depth, and I'm also update you guys on how to use these ideas to your advantage, okay? So number one, let's first start off with the basics, because I know you clicked on this video for all of the information. But first, let me tell you my name. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize on you making extra income. But second, I want to tell you something. What is income? Okay, income is, of course, money that you make from a service. But I just want to let you know something. Income is not something that you go ahead and you sell me this phone, and then once you sell this phone to me and you get a profit, you just say, oh, this is income, let me go and spend it on McDonald's. No. Income that I'm talking about is income that we are going to then make work for us to get us some more income, okay? So, number one, guys, okay, when we talk about how we can make more money, we have to first understand what's more valuable, money or time? What's more valuable? Because there's only one thing that, to me, in my opinion, I'm sure in a lot of people's opinion, is the most valuable thing. The most valuable thing, leave it in the comment on what you think, okay? If you don't want to cheat, pause the video and leave a comment, all right? What's the most valuable thing to you, all right? And if you answer this in the way that I'm about to answer it, then we think alike. But if you answer this and say the opposite of what I'm going to say, then okay, we just got some work to do. All right, so number one, the most valuable thing is time, not money. Because see, money is going to come and it's going to go. You're going to have it, you're going to not have it. Money is not meant to have an abundance for everybody, right? Because if everybody had it in abundance, it would not have any value, to be completely honest. Because the money does not project the value. What people do with it does. So if everybody's just sitting on money, money then wouldn't be valuable because they're just sitting on it. So what makes it valuable, right? Now, when it comes to ideas on how to make income without spending a lot of money in investing, I would say this: one of the biggest things, and I'm only speaking on things that I have experience with and that I've actually helped people get experience with and get results with, not going to speak on, hey guys, open a store and start to sell this and start to sell that and make money. Because I've never helped nobody open a store. You get what I'm saying? So I can tell you this. Yeah, guys, go ahead and flip phones, because I've helped people flip phones, and I've helped people turn something like this iPhone 11 into around $425 when the iPhone 11 is only worth, for real, $150. So let me explain to you how. Number one, guys, if you have not already went to hustlersmindset.com, you can find all of my tools to help you make an extra income stream. And one of the things you're going to find is a buyer's price list, okay? This buyer's price list is $60, okay? It's not free. Why is this buyer price list not free? Because it connects you to buyers, one, and two, buyers update this price list daily and weekly as long as the prices change. It is September. That means a new iPhone is going to be launching soon, and that means the prices are going to be changing drastically. Now, if you go and get a free price list from different companies, you got to understand you're only getting the price off of what that company desires. With our price list, it is based on 25 buyers that are international and in the state, and they all as a collective come together and they update the spreadsheet, and that is what you're getting. You're getting an overall global price for these devices. Now, you're not getting a price telling you, hey, this device is just worth this. No, what happens is you will then be giving a price point to where you should buy the device from, and then you can decide, hey, I'm gonna buy the device for this price, and then you have the option on top of the spreadsheet to locate the buyers and offer them the device you just brought. It is a one-stop shop. It is the buyer's price. This is on imhustlersmindset.com. It is something that can make you money. But let's just get away from that. Let's talk about how flipping phones is a really good, smart income stream that you can start right now without investing a lot of money. When people think of phones, they think phones cost a lot of money. These things don't. I throw this across the room on a daily, drop it out my car on a daily, because phones have no value to me. Why do not phones not have a value to me? Because I understand I can get another one like that. Why can I get another one like that? Because I really know the true value of it. Not because I'm making them in a factory, or I got some connect with Apple, or because I'm just the Apple king. No, I still gotta wait 30 an hour just to be seen by Apple if I ever needed to. So listen, I'm nobody special. It's just the fact that I understand how to negotiate, which I'll be making videos on how to negotiate, but also I understand that these phones are not as valuable as people deem them to be. We, as the buyers, have to tell the sellers what their devices are worth. So you can get something like an iPhone 7 in your area right now, guaranteed for around $125. You can get something like an iPhone 12 if you're good at negotiating for around $75. Now how? Because see, this iPhone 11 is locked to AT&T. This iPhone 12 is locked to T-Mobile. So I buy a locked phone, a locked used phone at that, for a cheaper price point, because guess what? These phones are locked to a carrier. I can't just sell these as unlocked. I dish out a little bit of money, then I turn around and buy this. I go and sell this to a buyer, or I put this right back on Facebook Marketplace, right back on OfferUp, right back on whatever platform, eBay, and then I price it just a tad bit higher, $50 higher than what I sat there and initially got it for, and then I see a profit. So it's easy for you guys to actually make money flipping phones. And if you guys want to know how to flip phones from A to Z, of course, you guys can go ahead and get my Phone Flipping Academy, which is on IamHustlersMindset.com. I teach you, and I also put you into our Discord so you can ask me any question for the rest of your life. I am not somebody that believes in, oh, hey guys, buy my course, and you buy my course, you're going to be successful, and my course is about $3,000 because I give you that much. No. It's all about understanding that the course is the introductory, but everything else is a part of the community. You are a part of the family. We're surrounding you around like-minded individuals. I am and hold on. I am literally somebody that has you in a course. You get the phone flipping buyer's price list, or you get the course, and you automatically get 30 minutes free with me on the phone to ask me any questions that the course may have had any gaps in, or maybe you didn't understand something, or you just wanted to see something in a different perspective. You can hit me up. And that is what I do to make sure you guys are comfortable, but also you guys can make the most out of your money. So if you guys are looking to start another income stream, I'm telling you right now, think about getting into phones. And then the next one that I would say, right? The next one I would say is literally this, y'all. Flipping electronic. Just flip electronics. I'm telling y'all right now, flip electronics. Now, why flip electronics? Because electronics are already in. Take this for prime example. This is a 3.5 jack headphone, okay? This is the original OG headphones. Now, these headphones are not special, right? They come in the plastic, they look nice, they work great, but guess what? Why sell that, Brandon? Like, a lot of people are selling it, or anybody can get it, right? No, that's not the case. It's not. See, just because anybody can get it doesn't mean anybody is going to beat my price point. It also doesn't mean that I can't target the right people and get a sale. It also doesn't mean that I should quit. It doesn't mean that I am going to get instant sales or instant success. But if I build, becomes consistent, learn price points, learn how to start my price gradually at a lower price point, but move it up, move it up, move it up until I'm getting to where I want to be. There's so many different strategies you can do, and I cover that all on this channel. But that is a big way that you can make money with a little investment. Guys, you get this for around $2 and sell this for $6.50. Are you kidding me? Like, if you have $2 in your pocket, you can literally turn that $2 into $6.50. Now, if you have a whole check that you're getting weekly, turn that check into double just by literally selling electronics while you're at work, literally sitting at the desk, or literally helping other customers. You can whip out your phone, be making money literally, or you can go home, or you could be in the classroom literally selling on the app too. You could be anywhere selling on apps, guys. And that is a great income stream, guys. So I hope you guys take my advice, and I hope you guys get into one of these industries. Listen, I'm telling y'all, this is something I love, something I enjoy, as you guys can see, and you definitely should get into it, and I hope you guys do. Even if it's not with me, I hope you just dive into it, stop being scared, grow a business that you love. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.